Welcome back to Sax Talk and Tech. This is Danny Rock. Today we're working with a Pioneer DJ controller, DDJ 1000 SRT, and a laptop and an old school Behringer mixer. So today we're going to work with 1/4-inch wires running from this controller to the mixer. And some of you are asking, why are you running 1/4-inch wires to a mixer? That's because the XLRs, the connections in the back of the machine, they went bad, as they did on my previous Pioneer. They just somehow always go bad. So I'm running with 1/4-inch wires, and the question today is, what would be a better choice? Okay, would mono wires be a better choice or stereo wires? So this right here, these right here are stereo 1/4-inch males. You see the ring sleeve tip, those 3 little circles. You could see really 2 circles, but the top is technically the tip, and the bottom 2 rings are ring sleeve. Here's another type of a 1/4-inch male wire, monos. Notice they only have a single ring around them. So which would be the better choice? And a lot of you out there are even asking, why am I even using one of these mixers when I have a Pioneer mixer right here? The controller acts as a mixer, right? They don't really work great with instruments. They don't work great with the microphone input. There are no EQs, and there is no preamp built into any of the Pioneers. So you will be much better off using one of these mixers if you're a musician like me. I happen to play saxophone and other instruments, and I sing. So I'm gonna need this mixer because it has preamps built into it, and it also has EQs. So that's that. Let's do the experiment and see which types of wires work better. The speakers are turned on, they're powered, and you notice that these levers are more than the majority of the way up. Back on this old school mixer, these volume levels are up, and this master fader can go up a little bit more. Just so you know, we have the stereo wires going into the input of this mixer. So I'm going to adjust this fader, this master fader, to see if we hear any white noise. Now I don't know if you heard that. I hear it. It's white noise, but it's not bad at all. Let's compare it to the other set of wires. What I did is I connected the mono wires to the back of the controller. Let's set this back a little bit. And let's run the same test with the mixer. Let's turn the master fader up and down. And I don't hear any difference. It does make noise, but it sounds the same. That white noise. I am surprised here, but I won't just stop yet. Let's give it some RF interference. This is a cordless sax mic. It's turned on right now, and I don't hear any interference. You see the red light turn on? It's on. I'm touching it, touching the wire. Nothing. I'm not satisfied yet. Let's use a handheld mic. Here's a Sennheiser. It's on. Touching the wires, it doesn't do a thing. Doesn't make any noise. Same. I'm not satisfied yet. Let's run an open light bulb, a powered light bulb, right next to the wire. Nothing. Still not satisfied, so let's run a powered Sennheiser receiver next to it. Still, I get no RF interference. Okay, so I rolled up the mono 1/4-inch wire on top of this Sennheiser wireless mic receiver, and it is powered on, and there is no radio interference noise, no hums, no strange noises. It just doesn't make a difference for the application that I'm using it for. Now, perhaps you have a reason for using stereo 1/4 inch wires, and you might be fully justified. I'm not saying there's no reason, just nothing what I've seen here. So perhaps maybe in a different video, we can find a difference. And when I do so, I'll make a video about it. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck. Bye-bye now.